When I saw the hospital's symptoms, I began to recall myself. My life, I always feel that I've missed something important. When I go to school, I try to study hard at all times. I often work for the paper overnight. Day after day efforts pushed me to the pinnacle of the business. Something was ignored by me. Behind the pen on the desk, next to the wine bottle, beside the photo frame. It was it.
Soy socio de un despacho de abogados.
我是知名网络化妆博主。
I am a member of management in an enterprise.
Je suis ingénieur programmeur.
Mi horario siempre mantengo ocupado y mi vida está llena de un montón de presiones. La piel de mi cara mantiene roja y con sangre y tengo un problema con la caspa y el pelo.
年纪轻轻的皮肤就失去光泽、暗淡，有时候呢还会有一些小细纹。
I have to work day and night and nervous. Then it affects my sleep quality seriously.
Je n'avais plus assez d'énergie pour travailler comme il faut.
Mantengo con más energía durante el trabajo.
我皮肤由内而外的透出一种红润。
I can fall asleep easily and will not wake up during whole night.
Une récupération rapide de l'énergie.
Herbsea's Fuchsia is pure extract from natural botanicals, using more than 10 processes to complete the extraction, using best raw materials from oceans of Japan, Australia, and Hawaii. Everyone is concerned about the height of your life. Herbsea concerned about the quality and length of your life.